We're different, and we're about to make a difference. We are Kathy, Helene, and Simone. We use our hands to connect with our creativity wherever we are, whenever we can, because our hands placed at the end of our arms are always available, inviting us to create. Our mission is to inspire you to use your hands so you can embody your creativity. Embracing everything we do with our head, hands, and heart allows us to truly learn what it is to be human. It's that simple. We're hands-on. When we handmake, we are in the now. We embark on a journey of slowing down, cherishing the moment of creating. We honor our hands and the act of handmaking together. The more we use our hands, the more we value them as a precious tool to transform, and so they will guide us to open the doors to new adventures. So why mothers in words and song? We were all given life by a mother. We were all given our hands, and with our hands, we can give back to our Mother Earth. Our hands, just like our Mother Earth, can hold us, share, teach, protect us, welcome us, point us in the right direction, and so many other things. But most importantly, they connect us to our souls. So let's join hands, ignite our imagination, and walk together into a world full of words and song.